So now we're going to be doing a simple stain. The first part of a simple stain is to make a smear. A smear is a thin application of biological material, in this case bacterial cells. Collect a microscope slide, add 1 drop of water to the slide. Next, sterilize your loop by flaming it. Collect your plate with your unknown microorganism, and to ensure that the loop is cooled, make sure to touch the loop in an area where there's no bacteria. Then work to find an area where there's a single bacterial colony by itself. Collect some of the sample. Some colonies will stick a little bit more than others, but by scraping the surface, you're collecting cells onto the loop. Then use your loop with the cells that you collected, add it to the water droplet on your microscope slide, and mix it up. In this way, the bacterial cells will come out of the loop and you'll make a suspension of the cells on the microscope slide. Now we know with a wet mount, we would just go ahead and add a cover slip, but we want to fix this smear. Fixation is the process of killing the cells in a way that preserves their shape, their structures, their size, sort of a gentle way of killing them. So to do that, we can chemically fix cells, which we're not going to do in this case by adding methanol, ethanol, paraformaldehyde, formaldehyde. But instead, we're going to allow this sample to either evaporate, in which case the sample will adhere to the positively charged slide, and we will have a fixed smear. If you're a little impatient, you can make use of your Bunsen burner by adding a little bit of heat. Remember, these are cells and they will burst open if they get too hot. Taking your microscope slide and applying it to a little bit of heat high above the Bunsen burner. Eventually, you will get something that looks like this.